Hey, great day, great day, great day. I know I'm getting ready to go out into the cold, cold weather to grab me some, get me some things out of Target so I can warm up. I can be warm tomorrow for church, like some tights, right? Because I had some tights and I don't know where my tights, they just disappeared from last year. But anywho, I didn't bring you on my channel to talk about my tight situation. I brought you up here because I wanted you to be able to see how I am able to drink my CBD instant detox tea. I did a video the other day where I was talking about this and I was sharing with you guys how CBD is really great for anxiety, inflammation, pain, depression, weight loss, energy, sleep disorders, skin disorders, a lot of different things, right? And then we have this instant detox tea, which is absolutely amazing and really great for cleansing out your body, getting all of that gunk and stuff out of your body. And I usually use it during the evening because I like to take it at night because, like I said, it gives you a nice, peaceful sleep, right? For me, it gives me a nice, peaceful sleep. For some other people, they have a great surge of energy. But for me, it gives me a nice, peaceful sleep. And when I say sleep, I'm not talking about knocked out, lethargic, and don't know where I am. It just gives you a nice, peaceful rest. And so I usually take mine, at the end of the night or before the last meal that I have. And tonight, I'm taking it a little bit later because I actually was working and I actually forgot to take it. But I just want to encourage you guys, if you have not tried our IOSO detox tea, period, you need to try it. Detoxing is great for anybody. I don't care what you're doing, how big you are, how small you are. Detoxing is a great way for you to cleanse out your body. You know, I think it said like it's either 75% or 80% of disease starts in the gut, right? So why wouldn't you want to get rid of some of that things, especially since we are having all of these different things being done to our food now, you know, the genetic modification, you know, the different climate changes and everything that's affecting our agriculture. So you really want to take a look at making sure that you're getting your body cleansed out because you really don't know 100%. You know, everything before was like farm raised and wasn't manufactured as much as it is being now. Even our food now, like even with salmon, I seen something where they're farm raising salmon where they're genetically modifying it, like cloning it, basically. And, you know, when I think of that, I'm like, okay, they say it's great for the nutrients, great for different things. But guys, I don't know. That just, you know, it just makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable, you know, where I'm getting something that has been cloned. So, you know, when I think about that, I'm thinking, okay, am I getting all of those chemicals and things that they're putting inside of it to be able to clone it? Am I getting that inside of my body? Is that the reason that we have so much obesity now? Is because our food is genetically modified? So those are just some of the things that I think about. You know, my mind might be a little wackadoodle, but that's what I think about when I think about all of these different processes that they're doing to make food. So I have actually been detoxing since the age of 19. So when this company came along that I'm with and they came along and I got introduced to the detox, it was nothing new to me because like I said, I've been using an all natural detox since I was 19, right? So when I got introduced to this product and I saw that it was all natural and it would not cramp my stomach or make me feel all uncomfortable or have me feeling like I'm running and racing to the bathroom, I was like, yeah, I want in. And so I've been drinking this tea now. I've been with the business for 5 years and I've been drinking it for 5 years. I've been taking it. And so our hemp extract tea, our CBD tea, is new to our business. And I've been taking this maybe now for 3 weeks. And guys, I'm telling you, my waist is getting lower, even lower than before. And that's where I'm seeing all of my inches coming off is in my waistline. And and I'm really excited about that. So I just want to just come up here really quickly and show you how easy it is to actually take and drink this. So what I normally do is I will normally sip a little bit so that the tea has a little bit more room so I can shake it around, right? Just take a small sip. And then I actually open the packet, right? And I just pour the tea inside of here, right? So see, if I would have left that water line up a little bit when I went to go shake it, it would be, you know, it wouldn't have enough room to shake around. So this is why I just take a little sip out. And then I begin to shake. And I just shake until the contents are actually, you know, all evenly dispersed, right? And I like my water room temperature, but you can do this with cold water. Some people utilize, they'll do hot water, and they'll make them like a, you know, a toddy, and they'll just stir it up in their glass or their cup. I like room temperature water, so I drink it that same way. If you do cold water, it still tastes good. And this tea actually has a lemon flavor to it. It's a papaya extract inside of it, but it gives it a lemony taste, which is really good. So when you're drinking this, you feel like you're drinking like some lemonade, you know. Like a little unsweetened lemonade, but it has a nice taste to it, and I could pretty much drink this down, which I normally do, right? So I just wanted to come up here and just show you how easy this is. And if you're interested in getting this purchase, guys, just hit me in the comment section or go to my link, and you can go to the link and you can make the purchase. It comes in a pack of 25 like this, and this pack lasts a month. It's actually, it'll last a month. You drink 5 on, 2 off. So you drink, there'll be 25 packets. You drink it for 5 days and then 2 days off. So if you're interested, you know, guys, just go ahead and jump in. I'm telling you, this is black dress season. You want to get into those tuxedos. You want to fit nicely into your clothes during the holiday season. This is what you want to get, this tea, and then our NutriBurst liquid vitamin. But I'll tell you about that on another program. All right. So you guys make it a great evening, and I'll talk to you later. Toodles.